We're going to make pasta carbonara. This is Rosina's Italian kitchen. We're going to make pasta carbonara. And we're going to start with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to put it in here. All right, 1 cup Parmesan cheese. And we're going to follow by putting 4 eggs. I'll just go ahead and put the eggs in here. Egg. Oops, there went one. And the second one. The 4th. Nice fresh eggs. I'm just gonna, you don't have to I guess, but I'm just gonna beat them up a little bit with the fork. And I always like to use a rubber spatula to get all the liquid out of here, whether there's eggs or other kind of liquid. I'm going to stir it and add some black pepper. Just finishing stirring the eggs. I'm going to put some black pepper in. I like the crushed black pepper when I have an opportunity to use it. And I kind of like to go like this with it. And with that, get all the Italian parsley in here. The prosciutto, and in this case I'm going to put red onions in it. Change it off, change it a little bit. Okay. I think the pan's hot enough. Saute the onions first, give it a quick pasta dish, and it's very good. You can also, instead of the onion, use garlic to your liking. I'll drop that in there. And put this one side. I happen to have electric stove. A lot of people have gas. Just the temperature to your liking or how you like it cooked. The prosciutto really is cured. It doesn't need much cooking, just kind of a little bit. Just saute it a little bit. You don't want it crispy or dry. It's about right. It'll start cooking. Pasta's ready to go now, so let's strain it and put the toppings on it. In here. And then that's for the one with the pasta. It's always good to save some of that liquid. Now we're going to add the mixture with the Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna add the prosciutto, a little bit of this water. Green onions, the red onions. Everything in here now, the Parmesan mixture with the egg, and I'm just mixing it well, and we're getting ready to serve it. Put it in our serving bowl. Now here we have our pasta carbonara.